we actually marked some zones, which is the recent high and the recent low. First, you can see the recent high yesterday, and you can see the recent low as at that yesterday, which is around this level. So then after marking that, in case you don't have marked from the H4, we marked that from H4, where we had a touch here, and these have been marked for like some weeks now. So now if we have to mark for today's recent high, then we can just adjust this to this current level around here. Remember, this is internal high, that not overall high. So this is internal low, not overall low. So then we actually took a trade yesterday, of which we took the trade when the trade got to our previous recent high, which was around this level, and we saw this bearish candle. We went short, and of course this was our target. So till now it has not really got to our target, so we are still currently in that trade. So for today, it's still similar, since the structures are still valid. So two things we are looking for today is that a breakout from this, they're retesting this to give us the opportunity to go long on that. Or if that does not happen, then we wait for a break below this go short on that. So that is what we'll be looking at for pound dollar for today. Now let us go through to the next one, which is going to be BTCUSD. And of course, as we know very well, that BTCUSD seems to always be on the bullish and bearish side at the same time. You might look at it this moment, it's looking the next moment looking bearish, and that is why we just prefer marking a previous structure or previous highs and previous low to just get an overall movement. So if the market happens to remain in that zone, then we can think of either going short or going long. Let me just delete all this so you can have a better and clearer charts. Okay, so now marking this as most recent low that the market couldn't break below. Let's take it down here. Then this most recent high that the market couldn't break below, so I couldn't break above. Okay, so what do you want to see? We want to see a break above this, telling us waiting for this to this target. Or then if that doesn't happen, we wait for a break below this, we're testing it to get to the next zone, which is around this level. So any of these happen today, I'll be looking forward to take a quick short on that. But meanwhile, still keep fingers crossed and see how the market actually reacts to that. So let's still wait for the reaction of the markets. And don't forget, I'll be dropping an last video to let you know if any of them actually happens. So let's go to the final one for today, which is going to be XAUUSD, which is good. Alright, here's a good chart for today. And of course, the case is now today is the 19th of December 2025. We've not really placed any trade on go because our zone has still very much valid, not yet taken out, which is what we got things for like let's say 4 or 5 days now. We've been in this zone on go, so you just have to wait for this previous analysis to take place. So either we have a breakout, which is likely to happen, a breakout from this, and we think of going long, or then a break below to go going short down here. So I don't think there's anything much on good because the market is currently within our zone. So just look forward to see what's going to happen next in this zone. As that said, that's going to be the end of today's analysis on pound dollar. And of course, if you need a broker, you want me to recommend a broker to you, you can just check the description. I will drop a link to my broker. Then, of course, their leverage is actually it's actually customizable, and the spread is one of the tighter I've ever seen. I don't think I need to say much. You can check it out by yourself, and definitely you have everything to be grateful you use that broker. Alright, that's going to be the end of today. So please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Do enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe.